Okay, this is problem 16 from chapter 2, CFIN7. We're working in Excel. This is we're going to calculate the PE ratio and market to book ratio. The PE ratio is a price earnings ratio, so price per share or market price per share divided by the earnings per share. The market to book is the stock price divided by the book value per share. The market to book is an important measure. It gives you an idea of the value created by the firm or by management. As a market to book approaches 1, and the firm is likely to be undervalued, or the resources of the firm could be better utilized. So that makes them a target for takeover. So, but read the question here. The most recent balance sheet for Infinity Information Systems, IIS, shows that the company has $35 million of common equity. That's common equity is the book value. 7 million shares outstanding. The common stock outstanding. Company common stock has a market value equal to $8 per share. IIS's net income was $14 million. What are IIS's PE ratio and market to book ratio? So first thing we'll do, we'll calculate the PE ratio or price earnings ratio. So the stock price is $8 per share. The earnings per share are going to be the net income. So that's the 14. Whoops, need an equal sign. 14 million divided by 7 million. I could have skipped the zeros. That's $2 per share in earnings per share. So my market book is going to be $8 divided by $2. So my PE ratio is 4. So the market book is the stock price divided by the book value per share. The book value per share is common equity divided by shares. So the common equity is the book value. So equals 35. Whoops. 35 divided by 35 million divided by 7 million. So market to book is going to be the stock price, the $8 per share, divided by the book value per share. So 1.6 is the book value per share.